Hi guys, I'm Akubi and that is my little head down at the bottom there. I just want to say a massive thank you to everyone who's just watching this video right now for taking the time out of your day to interact with me right now. And if you're already in the course, thank you so much for picking it up. And if you're not quite there yet, you're watching this as an intro video, please just take your time out to watch this video. I appreciate you more than you could ever actually know. But enough of the niceties. Why are we all here? We want to make some cash, right? And so what I will do in this course, I will show you exactly how to shortcut your way to super affiliate status. Now, if you've been doing this affiliate game for more than a week, you understand what a super affiliate is. But for those who haven't, for those who don't really know the definition of a super affiliate, they are the sort of person who's had years and years and years of experience. They know exactly what they're doing. They've made dozens of products, sold thousands and thousands of units, made thousands and thousands of dollars. They could actually send one email out and make $1,000 in a day. That's the sort of results we all join this affiliate marketing game to actually get, right? But why is it that you're probably not getting those results right now? Is it because you're not working hard enough? I mean, is it because there's not enough hours in the day for you? Is it because you're not good enough at what you do? Or is it simply that the whole world is against you? Now, I think we both know that none of these things are actually the real reason why you are not getting the results you want. Do you want to know the real reason? It's because you're invisible. Nobody knows you, so nobody is ever going to buy from you. Nobody trusts you. And that is the issue, and that's what people don't really understand, is that unless you're visible, unless you're seen, how can anyone possibly trust you and buy from you? So, how do you actually break the cycle of invisibility? It's a very difficult thing to do, especially if you've just started or you don't really know exactly what you're doing. Now, there's three options you can go for. The first one is months or years of trial and error. Now, this is the option that most people choose. This is how super affiliates got to the place they're at. They've spent years and years gaining experience, speaking to people, and building up a network of people that actually believe them, trust them, and will buy from them. So you could spend the next few years doing that. Or you could spend thousands upon thousands of dollars on adverts and get your name out that way. Now, obviously you would need thousands and thousands of dollars to start off with, and you might end up wasting thousands and thousands of dollars. Or you could use this course. Now, I think I know which option I would preferably choose. Basically, money follows attention. If you've got the attention, you will get the money. It's pretty much as simple as that. This is a quote from Grant Cardone, and he himself, as the best salesman in the world, says money follows attention. You don't need the best product. You don't need to be the most good looking. You don't need to be the funniest guy. If you can get the attention, you will get the money. So with this course, I will show you exactly how to get attention from the people who already have the most attention. So if you think about it like this analogy, if you are a musician, a rapper, let's say, and you've been trying for years and years and years to try and break through into the industry, all it actually takes is someone like Kanye West, like Travis Scott, Eminem, Dr. Dre, someone with a massive name to be like, right, I like your music, come up, do a song feature with me. They put you on a song and that song gets sold millions and millions and millions of times. Now, your name is then on a song that is played millions and millions and millions of times. So all you actually needed, rather than the years and years of hard work, is for someone who's big, who's up there, someone like Kanye West, to pick you out of the noise of all the people who are trying and to put you as a feature on a song. That way, his fan base becomes your fan base. That is the basic concept of what I'll be teaching here. I'll tell you exactly what to say. I'll teach you exactly how to say it. And in turn, I'll teach you how to make connections with people that would normally take years and years of your time to create. And the best thing is, I'll do it all in just 30 days. Oh my days, are you mad? Yes, I am. Because I can promise you it'll be done in 30 days. Because I've got this down to a science. There is a science of networking. There is a science behind how you approach people that will work 99.9% of the time. You will message people in a certain way at a certain time, and you will do certain things around the person, and I've shown you step by step exactly how to do it. Now, all you have to do is follow this course first and foremost, and then, well, that's literally all you have to do, okay? Follow this course, and in 30 days you will be able to connect with super affiliates. It's pretty much as simple as that. After the 30 days, you will get the attention of super affiliates. After the attention comes the admiration of super affiliates. After the admiration, you will get to work side by side with the super affiliates. And after that, well, then you get all the results you could possibly ever need. Yes, get in there. That's what we want. So a lot of people, rightly so, will be very suspicious of this. How are you going to do this? It sounds all too good to be true. Condensing 3 years worth of work into 30 days sounds impossible. I'll tell you exactly how. You will get day-by-day walkthroughs for each of the 30 days. I'll show you exactly what you need to do, where you need to be, how you need to say what you need to say. You will get done for you scripts and conversation starters, which means that you won't have to think about anything. It's all there, done for you already. You get done for you product ideas to present to the super affiliates after the 30 days, and this is how you end up working with them. You also get the Science of Networking handbook that I've created, which basically shows you exactly what networking is, how it's important, why you need it, and simplifies it down to the point where you could read this book and teach anyone on the planet exactly how to network like a pro. There's also training on how to be likable and charismatic, how to be funny. There's training on how to ask the hard questions, which for all of us is difficult. If you don't know someone and trying to ask them to work with them, to get them to like you is extremely difficult. I'll teach you exactly how to do that. And there's also training, most importantly, on how to be visible. Because unless you're visible, unless people know you, there's absolutely no point even trying affiliate marketing because you're not going to get the sales, okay? Now, it's actually very good to be skeptical in this business because there are a lot of scams, a lot of people promising things they can't deliver on. And so what I've done is actually giving you a money-back guarantee. Now, terms and conditions do apply, so make sure you read them carefully before you buy this. But I will give you your money back if you don't get the connections that you want with the people that you need, okay? Because I'm so confident in this science of networking, that I know it works, okay? I am proof that it works, and I'll show you some proof in a little bit. But I will make sure in 30 days you know exactly what you're doing when it comes to networking, how to actually monetize this network, how to actually get to the people that you need to get to in order to start making some real money. That is why this course is called Connect to Cash. Simply because unless you've got the connections, you cannot make the cash. I will show you how to get attention, get admiration, get connections, and therefore you will be able to cash out whenever you want to. Okay? Now, you can either make money or you can make excuses, but you cannot do both. If you want to join this course, you are choosing to make money, but you can't make any excuses if it doesn't work, okay? Because only you can put the work in. Each of the 30 days is completely mapped out for you. You don't have to do much thinking at all, but you just have to put the work in, okay? Now, I want to know, do you take action? Are you responsible for yourself? And do you choose to make money? And if you do already know, then you must be ready, okay? You must be ready to take the next step, okay? And if you are, I'll see you in the next video.